So we're now here, guys, to the falls and attractions. So our first stop would have to be here, the incline thingy. So yeah.
It's almost like the Pittsburgh, not the one.
So we managed to get through without having to queue because we already have the ticket ready. So all aboard. Oh. We're here now. So we're now taking the exit from the Falls Incline Railway. Thank you. And this is how it looks from this end. It really looks nice, so I guess it's really worth the purchase, especially if it's summertime, because you've got, you know, at least everything's easy to access and all. So guys, once you've had enough photo taking, picture taking with the Incline Railway, you can then head to this attraction. I don't know what this attraction is, but I think there are like WeGo buses that's actually included in your Niagara Pass thing, plus Adventure Pass rather. So maybe we'll head to the tunnel. I'll try to zoom it in. There. So we'll try to find out what we can do here.